Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you pizza shop management using Python. So user have to first log in with the admin and admin. It will show the open page. You can check the pricing of any items. These are the customer transaction. Okay, you can add any items or you can decide the size. Okay, let's click on back. Go to user login and user have to enter the username and password. And if they click on a login button, so it will open the user section. Okay, let's enter the username password and click on login button. Okay, you can just select the pickup or delivery. So enter the veg pizza, deluxe veggie, click on add button. Okay, you can select the medium or large size with the quantity and you can generate the bill and you can pay from debit card, credit card and UPI. Okay, just pay now and just click on logout button. Again, login with the admin and click on login button. Okay, then click on customer transaction. It will show the complete customer transaction section. Let's click on log on button. So this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend.